Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's kind of like a follow-up video to my last video when I did my swipe pours with resin. I had some of my pigments left, so we're going to make a coaster. This is just a coaster mold. I filled it up with clear resin. I'm using TotalBoat Tabletop Epoxy, and I'm just going in and drizzling some of my leftover pigments. This is a great way to use up any pigmented resin that you have left. This one is the pale gold, and the kind of lighter one is the white gold, and this is emerald teal. All of these are from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link her shop down below along with my coupon code. And now I'm going to go in and hit it with my heat gun on low. And I'm just going to blend everything together so it doesn't look so stripy with the different lines that I added. And this is so super simple and easy to do. I'm just going to go in with my finger and do a few little swirls, and that's it. I'm going to cover it up with an upside down storage container, let it dry, and we'll be ready to demold it. Here we are the next day. Look at how cool it turned out, and literally all I did was just drizzle my pigments into the clear resin that I had inside my mold. This is such a fun way to use up your pigmented resin. So what I do is I just mix up a little bit of extra clear and just reserve that inside a coaster mold because I pretty much always have leftover pigmented resin. I also wanted to show you how to add a glitter backing to your coasters. So this is a light gold twinkle glitter from Laura's Art Corner. I have 1 ounce of resin here, and I just mixed that in really well. I flipped my coaster upside down, so what you're seeing is the back side of the coaster, and I'm just going to place that glitter on the back of the coaster. And I'm going to hit it with my heat gun on high, really heating it up to make sure that I can spread it out easily. I'm just taking a little craft stick and pushing it all the way up to the edge. This is a really great way to kind of jazz up your coasters. You can add a glitter backing like this after you get them out of the mold. And don't worry about it going over the edge. Just push it right up to the edge and it won't flow over the edge. Resin's not going to go where resin hasn't been before. So I've done this quite a few times off camera and it works well every single time. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit in the center here, hit it with my heat gun one more time on high, and here's how it turned out. Check out that light gold twinkle glitter. It's so sparkly and beautiful. I just wanted to upload this video to kind of share with you guys how I like to use up my leftover resin and this fun way to add a glitter backing to your coasters. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.